Hey guys, I did a little, really quick Twitter poll last night, and I got, my hair's white because I, dry shampooed it, just wanted to say that real quick. Didn't get many responses, but, because, I have, 70 followers, so, but I asked, should I do a Get Ready With Me for the Harry Styles concert, and, I got 2 votes, both said yes, so here we are, getting ready. So, ignoring this necklace, I'm not gonna wear this. This is part of the shirt, I have no option. Anyways, so, I'm leaving at 4, it is currently 2:54, I still have to shave my legs. I don't think I'm gonna edit this because you know me, you know I'm lazy, so, yeah. So I'm gonna wear this shirt real quick, and then with the denim skirt, I don't have it on, I have spandex on that give me the worst camel toe. Just gonna say that now. Anyways, I just used my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock primer. Now I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, the LA Girl Pro Matte, because it is so good. It's got good coverage, it lasts. I forgot something. I always forget to do my color corrector first. So this is another LA Girl product. It's the Pro Conceal. This is the only Pro Conceal I can use because all the other ones, the lightest shade is orange on me, so I can't really use it. And the highlighting shade sucks. It takes off your makeup and it's just pure glitter. So, yep. There is that. Should I do an updated foundation routine? Tell me down below. Wow, I look too white. My eyebrow, my friend plucked it, and I don't know why, but in the front it won't grow back. There's a literal section, this eyebrow. I'm just gonna zoom in real quick. Do you see how this eyebrow isn't full and then this one is so full? You know how annoying that is? Pretty freaking annoying. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take my Angel Mind in Fair. This is almost still dark. Why do I look so white? Oh, I got sunburn on my chest and it tanned. There's hair. I just don't like baby hairs. It's too much. Do you ever see girls who put down their baby hairs, but they're adult hairs? They're not really baby hairs because they're too long to still be considered baby hair. Does that make sense? I see it all the time on Instagram. I'm like, oh, okay. I also one time had a friend tell me, she was like, yeah, look at your edges. And I was like, you mean my baby hairs? She's like, no, they're edges. And I was like, baby hairs? And she said, no, they don't grow. And I was like, they're still hair. And she's like, okay, no, but they're edges. And I was like, what are you talking about? Okay, now, here's a little trick that I do. If you're really light-skinned and fair, like me, then, you'll know that there is not really any, light enough concealer for you to highlight with. So I take this LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in white, and I lightly squeeze the pump and put it up my finger. Just like that, you see that? And it took too much on this side. And down under my eye. So your under eye is highlighted. My Cody ear spun and translucent. And big. Now I put this everywhere, which is what makes my face look even wider because I crease a lot and I get very oily, so to avoid that, you bake. Oh my god, why do I look so white in my face? Unnecessary, anyways. Eyebrows. Oh, my brushes are not in there. I just want to shave this off. Like, why is it doing that? And it doesn't lay down or anything. It just stays where it wants to, which is extremely annoying. And this eyebrow looks weird. Anyways, we're using our NYX Tammy frame. Gonna underline that brow. Why do I have to have two different eyebrows? What the? Okay, actually, what is this shape? Oh my god, my eyebrows look bad. Just because this one is so, like... We're just gonna leave, we're gonna have bad eyebrows. It's okay, no one will see me, it will be dark. Hopefully. Get my bake off. I'm extremely annoyed right now. My mom's gonna come in here, I can feel it, and then I'm gonna have to edit. Oh my god. Unnecessary. Oh my nose is running. Okay, now we're going to take this Wet n Wild contour palette, contouring palette contour is what it says on the lid, and I'm just going to I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending brush and I'm just going to do some of this. Now you're probably like, that's really harsh, but just wait. Okay. Just put some right there. And now we're gonna add even more color to my face. Okay, that's gonna get blended, don't worry. And then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. bronzer. Do they even sell this anymore? I think it's a Sunny bronzer. That's a different brand. In warm tan. And just gonna warm up my face. And have some actual, oh my freaking god. Okay, and then all my baby hairs get in it and it's so annoying. I'm so annoyed right now. Like, this is the most angry video I'm ever recording. I look sunburned. Okay, this bun is annoying. I need a headband put. I only have gigantic cat ears and I am not putting those on. Old me would have. New me would not. Ow. I like hit my earlobe and hurt it. Am I just that weak? Who knows? I'm recording.
You are?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye. I look still extremely white. Like, what do I do to fix this? Okay, anyways, we're gonna go in with blush. Maybe some... Okay, no, but that... I was about to say I'll use some of that palette that I got for Christmas, but it looks all splotchy and I really don't think I need to be angered even more right now. Why does my eyebrow look like... It's just so bad. It's so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush and mix. So how is your guys' summer going? So I'm gonna be honest. Mine is boring. I'm about to spend all my money on the hairstyles concert, so. Oh god, my face makeup is horrible. Thankfully, it will be dark. No one can see me. Okay, we're gonna finally blend out that contour. Although it always looks harsher on my camera than it really is. So, it's really not that harsh as it looks. Like this looks pretty much blended already. Pretty much just blend that into nothing, actually, to be honest. Okay, my lips are feeling chapped. So, I got kind of a job babysitting, and, she said 2 to 3 times a week. I've only been called once. So, a girl broke because I keep spending money, and I can't stop. Down with some powder and the other eye as well. What I do is I'm definitely going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette, like the orange in here, and I want to use the pink. It's not really a pink in here. I'm going to use kind of a light pink, which I'm sure I have. That's too dark. I know I have a pink somewhere, like, I'll find it. I have a palette downstairs that I can look through as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start with crease. No. Okay, I'm gonna start with this brush and just put in a crease color, I guess. So I'm gonna use Bling. In the ColourPop palette, which is just like a nudie kind of color, and make it okay. Absolutely nothing is there. So I think what I'm going to do is actually take Big Cocktails, which is this light pink, and use that instead. Okay, nothing is showing up. This is just supposed to be a transition color. I want kind of a darker orange on the crease. These are... Well, it's not going to be the crease, it's going to be the outer corner. So I'm going to go into Champs with this Morphe M441 brush. We're just gonna tap twice and start that on the outside. This is like Sign of the Times mixed with Harry Styles self-titled album. Oh my god, I keep putting it. I'm going to take a Blaze, which is this shade right there, and I'm going to lightly tap into it, like just maybe twice, because I don't think anything actually went on. And that's gonna go on our outer corner. I'm so glad I didn't touch my white shirt. It would have been over. I would have canceled. Would have had to reschedule the whole concert. Okay, I'm just gonna take this palette. Maybe not. It's kind of gross looking. Not gonna lie. How do I not have like a single pink shade? Like, are you 5 real? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I got this BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, I'm gonna take this pink right here. Okay, yes. Yes, sweetie. Okay, this is a Luke and a half. Wow, she's kind of cute actually. I like it. Okay, so now I want to do a little bit of glitter, just a little bit of glitter on my eyes. So I'm gonna take this one because it's gonna look, because it's gonna look cool. And this is Lumi Light. Oops. Oops. Okay, sponge, get out of the way. We don't have time for you. So take some of that. Oops, it went everywhere. Wow, we're already almost done with my makeup. Ew, where is this freaking hair coming from? Get out. Okay. Okay, my friend is on the way. I have to finish my hair, just shave my legs. I'm gonna finish my makeup really quick. I'm gonna take some, frick, I don't know what I want to take. Okay, I'm gonna take this milk strobing thing for highlight, just a little bit, so it's a little glittery, so you know we looking fancy. Oh my god. It's just a little bit of glittery, you know? Okay. Oh my god, my nail polish peeled off. I don't have the time for this. Okay. Do I need the other peel? No. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some pinky highlighter. It's not highlighty enough, whatever. Okay, we're just gonna, oh wait! Take pink ice, which is like the only color I use, and really pack that on. Okay, and now I'm gonna do my lips, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. You just see in the thumbnail. Okay, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want a full-on tutorial on it, tell me. Okay, bye.